Have you ever wondered what would be inside your cat's fantasy McDonald's Happy Meal? I have, so I put together some items I believe would be Bobo's fantasy Happy Meal. Let's see what's inside. The first item we have is salmon McNuggets. Let's see if Bobo likes them. The next treat we have is tuna fries. And for dessert we have the pumpkin cookie. And last but not least, we have everybody's favorite, the toy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and let us know what's in your cat's fantasy Happy Meal.